Hi guys, I want to show you how you can download components for your designs so you don't have to like recreate them. So for instance, I just downloaded a bunch of these hinges and they come in as bodies. You know, if you click on this, you can actually see that there are bodies within each of these drop down arrows. So you can actually download these things rather than recreate them. So let me show you what to do. Go to GrabCAD and you're going to sign in. You can just sign in using your Google account. So just go Google and you'll need to do the typical Google stuff. Go to library, search the component that you want. So let's say I'm looking for an M410 machine bolt, machine screw. Okay, it's going to give me some options here. Here you go, some M4 machine screws. I'm going to click on that. And I can either do these STPs. I'm not sure all of these work, but the STP definitely works. So if I click on that and download the file, okay, it'll show up in my downloads. And then I can go over to Fusion 360. Now, you're going to go to the data panel and you need to open a project. I created a new project called DP Design. So I'm opening that and then I click on upload and I select the file. I need to go to my downloads and find that STP file that I just downloaded, click on open and then upload. You'll see that it's opening right here. Take some time. You can see my progress here. So you can see that I now have the machine screws here and I can open them up and then use whichever one of these machine screws I need in my designs. All right, thanks.